What is a process? A process is a collection of process elements such as workflows, activities, work products, roles, phases and milestones, guidance elements such as practices, and other elements that are defined in the process metamodel. Process elements can be linked with each other through associations, for instance, a role which is responsible for an activity. Since this terminology can be customized, each stage's installation might use slightly different process elements. Processes can only reside within a workspace and can have multiple versions, such as the valid version or the working version. What is a workflow? In the standard meta model, the unified configuration, the term workflow rather than process is used to describe a top-level node in workflows and activities. A process may contain any number of workflows. A workflow may link to other workflows or activities, or it may contain other workflows and activities. What is a meta model? The meta model defines how processes are captured within stages. It defines which process elements exist within a process, how they are associated with each other, and how each element type is visualized to the users. Meta models are configured on the server by stages administrators. In the default configuration, a meta model named Unified Configuration is installed, which captures 20 years of customer experience, how to best model engineering processes. Derivatives of this meta model or completely customer-specific meta models can be configured, typically in collaboration with MethodMark Park consultants, and stages can support multiple meta models at the same time. Each workspace in every process version within each workspace can have different meta models.